Hi guys, so in today's video it's just going to be a quick one about how to maintain your washing machine drawer. So let's have a look inside. Last time I cleaned it was deep cleaned it was around 16th of January and today is the 22nd of February. Let's have a look inside. So this is more than a month later and this is how it's looking inside. You can see there's not much build up in there. Let's just take it out and I'll show you how I've been keeping it fresh. You can see I've got my clothes in there, literally just finished doing a wash, and this is how I keep it fresh. I don't really think there's a point once you've done an extensive deep clean as I did before. There's no point of waiting for the gunk and mold to build up. If you follow these small steps, it will save you a lot of time. If you haven't already seen that video, please check out the video where I show how to clean your washing machine drawer. Check that one out if you haven't already seen it. And to avoid all that excessive scrubbing and all that, this is the way to maintain your drawer. Literally just take it out of the socket here, just press the lever here and release the catch, remove the drawer, and this is what inside the drawer looks like. You can see there's no build-up of mold, no build-up of washing powder, still looking fresh. This is what the drawer looks like. Very clean inside. I haven't done anything to it yet. Just literally removed it from the washing machine to show you. This is all I do to keep it clean. After every wash, just remove the compartment for the fabric softener. Take it out. You can see how clean that is still. All I do is give the whole thing a rinse after every wash, and that keeps it clean. Simple as that. Once you have finished rinsing it, you just put the compartment back on to snap it back into place and you're done. Rinse it after every wash and that's how it stays fresh. In case you might be thinking to yourself, I'm too busy, I haven't got time for all that. I think if you don't want to remove compartments and all that, just give it a quick rinse all over and I think that should still be effective. Why wait for the mold to all build up on it? If you rinse it after every wash, you can just avoid that. Quick, simple and easy. Thank you very much for all the time you spent with me here on my channel today. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel.